Hey guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing like a kind of get ready with me using Glamlite Willy Wonka collection. I'm really excited for this. I got this collection for Christmas, like the whole box and everything, for my mom for Christmas. I don't know why I'm doing it now. I had other videos planned and stuff before I did this one, but now I'm doing this one. If you guys want to see my makeup using the Glamlite Willy Wonka collection, then just keep on watching. So I already primed my eyes and like all that good stuff off camera. My eyebrows look okay. I just can never get them looking good. But anyways, let's just get started. First, take the lip care duo and I'm gonna put on the lip plumper just to like get started with this. Is that this? Yeah, we're gonna put this on. Oh, it's like a clicky pen. That's pretty cool. Okay. I don't feel anything yet. Is this lip plumper? Yeah, lip plumper. Okay. It also comes with a lip scrub that I used before. That I used like in the beginning, not in the beginning of this video, but before I started the video. Now let's get around to eyeshadow. So this is the Wonka bar palette. This is what it comes in. It's just like a little bag. And then I'm gonna take it out. Oops. And it comes with a little Wonka golden ticket. Isn't that so cute? And then this is the palette. It looks like a little chocolate bar. And this is the eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I don't know what kind of look I want to do today. Definitely with some gold, obviously, for like a golden ticket type vibe. And fudge is like a really pretty golden color right here. And I don't know if I want to do like purple vibes or if I want to do like brown vibes. I don't know. Well, we're here right now. I was gonna say we'll see when we get there, but we're here. So let's take Fuzzy Lifting Drink on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush and just blend that into the crease. Oh, Fizzy Lifting Drink. I've seen the movie before, guys. I don't know why I'm like not getting this reference. I don't know. I've been posting on what are they called on YouTube? I don't know if they're called like shorts. They're called shorts on shorts, and I've been getting this lip plumper is not plumping. Yeah, I mean it might be plumping, but it's not fizzing. It's not like tingling. Anyways, but some people are so mean on there. Like, I don't know, I've been deleting. I mean, actually there was only like 2, and I guess that happens like when you get like views or whatever. There's gonna be some people like kids, because I feel like that's like big in like kids, like teenagers just saying rude stuff. But I had to delete a few comments which is like fine. I mean, it's not fine because like don't bully people. That's really rude and wrong because they can have lifelong consequences. Trust me, I know I've been bullied. But just be kind. That's all I have to say. Okay, I'm the only one who has like a makeup towel, like a towel that's just so like dirty, that has like makeup and like paint and stuff on it, because I also like paint a little bit. Paint on it that like doesn't ever come clean no matter how many times that you wash it. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna take, what do we want to do? Let's do golden ticket, which is like a pink shade, which doesn't really make sense, but we're gonna put that on our outer corner and into our crease using the M330 brush. Now with that same brush, we're just gonna take Coffee Cream, which is like a dark burgundy type shade. Put that on our outer corner and halfway into our crease. I really like this palette so far. We're gonna see what the shimmer shades are like, but the matte shades are really nice and pigmented, and they're not really like generating any like kickback or like what's the word I'm looking for, like when you press into it there's not a lot of like shadow coming up, so they're nice and like packed. but they're still nice and pigmented. Now we're gonna take this like flat but also kind of like fluffy brush from Morphe. It's like a chrome brush, and we're gonna take Fudge, which is the shimmer gold shade, and put that on the lid. Take a flatter brush. I'm going to take the Morphe M167 brush. Yeah, that's better. And pat that onto the lid. This shadow is very nice and creamy. I just feel like I'm using like quite a bit of it, because you know how like when in the pan the eyeshadows are nice and like soft, you feel like you're kind of digging into it. That's kind of what it feels like. But it's super, super pretty. I love it. Wonka Vision, which is like a silver white shimmer shade, and put that in our inner corner. That's pretty. And then I'm also going to put some of that under my brow bone. I'm just going to take that coffee cream again and just blend out the outer corner. Now we're gonna do a wing eyeliner. I've been using the Morphe M364 brush, which is like this nice, and you can barely see it, small eyeliner brush. Okay guys, so I just went off camera and did my base and all that good stuff, because this doesn't really come with any base products, except it comes with a highlighter palette, which I'm gonna do with you guys right now. It looks like this. Comes in a little box, and it's like, I think it's just called the golden ticket. There you go. I was gonna say you can't really see it, but there it is. It's like magnetized. It comes with a little double highlighter, but also like a mirror. So we're gonna take the more golden highlighter. You can't really tell the difference between the two. There you go. I feel like you can see that kind of better. This one's more goldy. This one's a little bit more like silvery white. So we're gonna take the Morphe M164 brush. I like a lot of highlight on my nose. I haven't been doing highlight on my nose recently, but I like a lot. I like to put it on my Cupid's bow. That's pretty cute. Okay, we're gonna take the silvery one, and we're gonna put it in our inner corner again. Not again, but put it in our inner corner. There we go. Yep. Cute. Okay, now we're gonna do under our eyes. So basically we're just gonna take the Wonka palette again, and we're gonna take coffee cream and pop that under our eye. So for this lip plumper, I don't really think it's doing anything, and I don't feel anything either. Like, it's not like, you know how like lip plumpers will like burn a little bit, like a good burn. I'm not really feeling that. So now for lips, we're gonna take the lip kit, which is just like this, and it comes out like this. I don't know why. I don't know if my mom bought, this one has a golden ticket in it as well. I don't know if my mom bought an extra lip liner, but they gave me an extra lip liner. It was just like in the package. I don't know which one this is, but we're gonna use the one in the lip kit just because like I'm showing you guys the collection, and I don't know if that's part, I mean it's clearly part of the collection, but I don't know if you get it like normally. This is like a nude shade. I don't know if this will be too light for me. Yeah, it's kind of the shade of my lips. I see that. Let's do this one because this one's darker. Oh yeah, that one's like a chocolate brown. Let's do that one. Now we're gonna take the lipstick in the lip kit, obviously. I'm gonna take the lip gloss. Look at that packaging. That packaging is so pretty, and this is like a golden. Oh, actually, it's like a nudish. You can't really see that. It's at the bottom. It's like a nudish shade. It has some shimmer to it. It got some gold to it. Okay. You know what they should have did? They should have put little like coupon codes. So now this set doesn't come with like lashes or anything, so I'm gonna put on my own lashes and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished review, thoughts, and all that good stuff. Okay guys, so I just put on a lash and this is the finished look using the Willy Wonka Glamlite collection. I love it so much. I give this collection a 10 out of 10. The eyeshadow looks so good and was like blending well together. It's very like cohesive and I like the storyline of the colors and stuff. The lips, I mean, they speak for themselves. Very glossy and nude, which I like a lot. The highlight I love because it's blinding, and I just feel like what better product to go into like a Willy Wonka collection than like a blinding gold highlighter. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. If you're watching this, please subscribe if you're not already, because I would love to have you as part of my little family, and I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers. We're almost there, so please subscribe if you're not. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.